Cranium bring the song there with their artists do them. Gotta play the song. One enough, you know. Bro, that's the biggest impact ever, bro. A bus a man a bus from America, bro. With them say can't happen, bro. No boy can't hold long a thing no more. No gate can't keep. Foreign me there do this. Is it?
That is it.
Yeah, man, that's trending.
My bro.
Big up yourself.
You know it go. Everything
Gucci, you see it.
That is it.
No lying at all.
Alright, bad bro. Checking in. This is That's Trending. Another episode I'm currently trending live. We have a special guest in recording artist Gucci Boss is in the building.
Watching you know Gucci Boss, you know. Any other Gucci Boss are the knock off, you know. And right now, they are That's Trending. I mean, I tell you, say, any other Gucci Boss across this globe here are the knock off one. The real Gucci Boss, the right now.
In the building. But bro,
there.
let's just get into the interview right away. Let's talk about your history. You used to be a skanker, dance, a skanker, whatever Jamaican people
we
call it.
Yeah, bogle, you know, I always talk about that when they run wacky them more while and I say, yo, dancer, go still, but we just used to run joke we all away. It's like the proper name, feet a set coordinator, even bogle teach me that, you know. Say, yo, we are set coordinator, you know, because we coordinate, dance, move, you get me? I say there's one level to it, but there's a different levels to it, you get me? I say?
Yeah, the level of professionalism.
You
know, just enjoy yourself, you do this because you master the craft.
You master the craft, that is it.
So, I realize you have a strong history when it comes to the entertainment space from the, like you just mentioned, the Bogle, the Color, the G Unit, Sadiq them,
man.
You see me, and even the Elephant Man, the Merciless.
Man, yeah.
You see me, Roses with the Bogle thing said speed
man,
like.
Roses, man.
Bro, these are some real authentic original history, you know. When I talk about some.
We get a chance, man, for rub shoulders with the legend, them man, and really see how it really done. You get me? I said the real part. To me, them time there was the real party. Them we attack outside Leo. We attack
Weddy.
Cactus. We attack before even Weddy.
Weddy
when we start Jiggy Friday, man. Boy. Jiggy Friday start, man, and then Weddy start, cause Stone Love. Father Paul send him son, seal. Father Paul send him son for come play. Jiggy Friday, you know, cause Bogle say him start a thing, you know. And Father Paul say, Bogle, you start something and send the sound. So the next Friday, a Jiggy Friday, was Stone Love sound. Then Father Paul see the thing and say, yo, here why am I gonna start? Weddy Wednesday. And then after Weddy Wednesday, you don't know, passa. You see me? Something used to keep down a matches lane to a long time, bro. A long time. And everything me I go remember about a long time, bro.
See, in an entertainment space for a very long period of time.
Watch people bust, watch people flap, watch people bust back, watch people change them name, them image. Watch people water down to nothing like some real star, nothing again.
Chano.
Big up, rest in peace, Laba. Cause when me I go asylum, Laba, big star, you know, have a song, have a dance name, Swim Boy, you know. Where the God put on all him swimming chunks, you know, swimming suit with all the gas pan him back and come in at the club and swim by, you know. Me witness that, you know.
So you talk about some history.
History that.
And creativeness.
Yeah.
And also coordinating.
Right.
You don't know that go.
You see a youth them can't tired. It remind me of Laba. When you see can't tired with the telephone them and the typewriter them.
Yeah.
Bro, them time the dance hall is so deep. If you say parachute, the only way the people are going to understand when Ellie up on the runway with two something say, good to go.
That is it.
Parachute. You understand?
Real dancing era was a fun time in Jamaica. And as a little youth, I grew up, me used to remember, you know, Pond River, Pond Bank. You know what I mean? When all them there, well, them there did
You notice when Bogle say yellow tape, what you see?
Jano.
And the God say.
Everything Bogle say.
You notice when him say cope them up, what you see foul, though.
Everything what Bogle say.
It's a suitcase draw with foul, right, though.
Everything Bogle say, people them do it. It become like a part of our culture.
The man say him put squeegee in a bag and zip it up, bro. A squeegee around the place, you know. You hear me tell you, so the God say him, though. Put squeegee in a bag and zip it up.
And that's why we have to respect artists like Massacre.
Yeah, man.
Because
when him come back and say, yo, me say when the youth do that,
in Japa's song,
big up Massacre for that, you know.
A big up Bogle, where most artists not even think about that level of creativity there.
No, alright, I'm tell you what.
Wacky dip.
Let me tell you what going on in the dancehall space. Alright. Ding dong. Now I go do a song, I sing, I praise Bogle, you know. But Bogle deserve to be praised.
Why you say Ding Dong would do that though?
Alright, this is why I say that. Because I don't hear the song there. Like, I never listen to a song where fully dedicated to walking in the dancehall space right now where man. You remember when Cartel did say, dancehall can't stall?
Yeah.
Remember what Cartel do? And big up the greats them said way. So it's a thing in the thing, you know. Where you have to know for project and know say it's a certain, just like a Bob Marley movie now. Look at when Bob Marley movie shoot. I tell my daughter, say this have to be special for your generation. Because they say, me as a young youth, never did have a Bob Marley movie for watching our theater, you know. But that should have been doing our culture a long time because come on, that's Bob Marley. The God dropped when him at 36 now.
Channel.
So do that, man. The money we did accumulate could have maybe have a all Bob Marley movie, maybe we want to upgrade. But we just a get. You understand what I say? So, I just think say, dues not pay when it for pay. It take a while like for people guess. Because I watch now. I must say Bunny Wheeler them drop out, you know, said we, you know, said Speed, Peter Tosh, you know. You get me I say?
Yeah, talk about some legends, bro.
This is not just where I say Bob here, but other people who did instrumental in our Bob did that do. Legend them too.
Well, remember when if you have a team and they were a part of the growth of Bob Marley.
So right now we need to say Rita movie different from, we need Rita side of the story said we need
Cindy Breakspear.
We need everybody's side because this have men, everybody have different something for saying.
And remember, you know, our culture, we're very impactful, bro. And people want to know about Jamaican culture. So if you drop something we have to do with we, people are going to tune in. We don't know no other Caribbean.
My culture, I'm tell somebody say if
nah man, that is it,
Jamaica,
man.
I don't know,
no,
bro.
what would I do
like,
for?
I don't know what would I do. I be the Afro-born of Jamaica. Like, I love my country, I love my culture, and I never would I give up that for nothing.
That
you
is it.
Understand what I say?
And you have to respect where you're from. But
Yeah,
my bro, as me just said, clearly you have a deep history. What did make you even go into the dancing or the skanking space?
All right. Me live a Spanish town. Me I live Spanish town. Me attend a school named Norman Manley.
Yeah.
Norman Manley are in a Kingston. So when me I left school, me I pass half a year, me I say color them. Them time they fly by them, duel them. You get me? I say I dance. Me see them a dance up a skate land. You get me? I say,
Yeah.
I say, yo, them youth are amazing because the only dancer we know a regular clown and certain man from in a Spanish town. You get me? I say, broke up them and certain man we know. So when me say color them, me I say, yo, this amaze me.
Different.
And me I got high school. So when me I link with color, him say, yo, I have interest in the dancing when I do. Anyway, color say, yo, Teen Jam Saturday. Me was a youth, me. I say, what Team Jam? The youth that we can dance so bad that invite me a Team Jam. So when I got a Team Jam, I go meet Sadiq, Cisco. No for youth where I do the thing. I say, yo, this big. Cause them youth you know, me I tell you before them bust, you know, before them make a name, you know, before color name where them name, you know. Me I tell you high school days, just I left school and I par with them youth, you know. You get me I say? After me go so boom now, color say him no bogle. Cause me I say, alright, how I league this?
Yeah.
God I say no bogle, so me I say no bogle. I wonder if the youth tell lie to me.
Yeah,
Willie did end up drop out, Bogle did end up go foreign, and them I say no bogle. But when Bogle never in the country, but Bogle come to Jamaica now. So me I say, alright, if you know Bogle, we're
gonna see.
Out.
Yeah.
Bro, you see me see the F-150 go so and push in a skate and half a tree and pull up and me see Bogle walk out of it and me I say blood clot of the god this way me idolize and really want to see the real dancer. And I see the God come out and the God come here, the color first. I say, boom, dog, you really know a Bogle. Same time, the God come out and the God I say, yo, what kind of dance that me soon show say name Wave? I know so Wave though. I say, blood clot, this a dancing passa, you know. Because Bogle, they are foreigner do a dance named Super Bowl with the Wave. But nobody now see the dance, I'm just hear about it. So now I come teach Jamaica, you know. But when we the Uptown Mondays on fire and we are the Wave, so I think I saw Wave do. No, I saw the Wave do, bro.
Yo, the youth they did gifted for real, you know.
Yo, walk here from A to Z, do man.
My question is though, obviously we see the choreography interest was there, the skanking, the entertainment
Love it.
space. But like now we are the music, bro.
Bogle they want the music too, cause we start have conversation now, cause Bogle start say, yo, every time him do a dance, the artist them make be money and fight, and the same thing I tell about paying, but the respect it hard for pay. Cause you notice they even say, you notice and I say, Bogle do the dance, say Bogle are the art. You see a video for that?
Nah.
You ever see a video for that?
No.
You see road the boat though?
Yeah.
You understand now? So
Levels.
some people are gonna really get the history in a film where you can see it like the Bob Marley movie. Some people are gonna forget it and act like it never happened. You get me? I say?
But me like the fact that, you know what I mean, it seem like he's a youth where, you know, just want to be a part of the entertainment space, you want to make an impact.
I never put myself in this.
Yeah, and now we have the music and the music space for you. How do you like, what interesting if you say, yo, you know, someone on the music on a level?
The feeling, the idealing where it give me for just a bit. My true self.
Yeah.
What I dancing, if I go out, I'm dancing.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm going to the studio, I try to put out something where the world never hear it. You get me? I say? Nothing for mimic nobody. Nothing for say, yo, I try. Bogle used to tell me, say, yo, once you put something on the table, when not there, you do it.
Question. Now, some people would have say conflict of interest. I'm going to play devil's advocate. You do the skanking. You're there on the skanker them. Them are entertainer, said speed. Oh, you know, say he's a better skanker than a musician. What makes you feel like, you know, so I can do this and I can do this for real? Tell the fans them. Tell the people them where I listen.
Alright, watch you now. Star, where a star though? A star got always shine, it no matter where him there. Some people can't shine. Them have to shine a certain place. To a certain level, them can walk in a room and take it over. Be admired. Like if them go around Beyonce, them shy away. They are not their self no more. Them leave upon a level. But a real star, Beyonce go call you over in the room and say, yo, as, you know, she feel your energy like you're over there, but you know, just stand up over there and not being yourself. So
Self-belief.
if you're a muggler, you're supposed to over there say a muggle. If he's a singer, sing, make Beyonce hear you sing. Is like represent what you represent.
So you think you have the versatility to do whatever you believe in yourself to do?
Because me I come from dancing and I dance no more. Right now, I think water down, you know. If you say I do some joke dancing thing, like when we used to really dance, dancing would have got pay away. Dancing did have got build a house. Dancing bring me come a foreign. You understand what I say? Dancing was my visa. So when a man say, oh, you go left Jamaica. I mean I say, oh, me a part color them and bogle them. If color no want to take a plane, my general just tear up 5 tickets in front of me, you know. Same baby I go them place. I mean I say, what? Them man they have it like that can tear up all 5 tickets and say, nah, go there. And then when me a link with my dancer and video call or them time that they have a video call, me not tell a lie, a regular phone call. And you dip on the roses and hear Busta Rhyme call Jamaica. And you look at you to talk to Busta Rhyme. And you watch Busta Rhyme on BET. And when you see Eve come and dip on the roses, so how real you want it get?
Bro, your influence strong.
Remember a movie the goddamn star, you know, if you watch Belly, you know.
No man,
Bogle, you know, in a Belly, you know.
we know the history.
No, enough people don't know it, man. I tell you.
But me glad that there's stuff to tell them.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Don't know it,
In the music era though, who was your early influence in music? Bojo Banton is a legend name you call.
Like Bojo, when we hear Bojo first, just the roughness and voice and the song that I sing and when we used to call, it's like even when Bojo cross over and start the whether the biblical side of the work, I'm start to hear Destiny and certain things. Remember we did done a list of batty riders as a little youth.
That is it.
You understand?
And they sang the shot.
And early than Bojo, like a long time I want on DJ, you know, cause them time the god them used to bust them shirt and they have a button up shirt, you open it, you have on your marina.
Yeah,
them
yeah,
time
yeah,
they
yeah.
skeng, them time they, may I tell you who them time they did, was a very early. You know artist named Tiger, legendary
Of
Tiger?
course.
Yeah, me used to like
You have
Tiger.
Zebra.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
Zebra, our youth, Spanish town youth.
Yeah. But
me I talk
Tiger
about
sound just like Zebra.
No, but Zebra come long after the Tiger. Tiger come
Okay.
first. So what you know, this is what me did like about Tiger. Tiger, when him go up on a show, bro, he must say, good afternoon, ladies. It's like him have so much principle And then not just principle, like them man, them mash up show, bro.
So he was a great performer.
Who are one of the greatest, man.
I hear about that before, you know. I hear about this
Yeah,
before.
man.
So I know say it's a repeating of facts.
Yeah,
I hear
man.
about that before. Now that you do the music, bro, I feel excited for know say you're on a different path, but you still have the history. And it's in your scene where you can hear the passion in everything where you do.
Love it, man.
In the music world, you can recall your first stage performance, the first time you go up on a stage and mash it up musically.
Musically.
Performance wise.
Musically, that have to be Curry Festival down at Westmoreland. I think at Manning's High School. You see me, Red Rat call me on the stage, bro. And remember me, I got dancer, you know, because I got go find out so me I link with Bogle and like really.
I do it.
But he meet me through doing video, you know, me I show you, you know, me I do a video for Red Rat and me I tell him, say, yo, yeah, move so. Like I can't dance, move so. I say, oh, you know, like, you know this thing. I say, listen, me and Bogle part, but him think a joke.
Oh, him never take it serious.
He never take it serious. But him go find out, say, yo.
A real thing,
but the God, do a God say, man. And after that, me and Rat start apart. So I saw we end up at the show now and the man I say, yo, he might call me out as him dance. And me and say, what you ready to do to my career now? The big crowd out there. And him call me out and I hold the mic them time and me have a dance name, take over. Take over, mash up the place. Red Rat call out him daughter Taika. And the whole campaign of them time the Red Rat daughter have a song say, nah, nah. Mash up the place. After that a foreign we are going to brother. You hear me I tell you? After all of them something there. So it never take long for me meet the right set of people for do the right thing. Cause me I tell you, Bogle end up drop out, you know, bro. Like the only hope we did really have for really maybe go a foreigner, you see me?
Make an impact in our business. Yeah.
Got drop, you know. So all of my dreams there, so me have to take up now and put in our next bag. So I saw me reach on my family now, Mad Multimedia Production, which she had do videographing. You understand? So me go to she go get a job as a videographer. No, not a videographer, a set coordinator. I coordinate the set, all of them lighting, background, backdrop. So more time I tell people say like I have an understanding in a this, them gonna feel like say, bro, we shoot Maca Diamond Bonim video. You know that.
Of course.
So if I tell you say we shoot it, and me and my cousin, the history is there. Michelle can tell you Andrew was there. Andrew script. Andrew the all type of thing. So a long time we are shake up the ground with some work, but I'm not talk about it because he's not a man who come and say, yo, we did shoot Red Rat #1 video. And you know just to get some clout off of that because we know time I tell Rat go understand, say, yo, a real thing I'm talking and tell you back in the history. You get me, I say?
Whoa, it sounds like, you play many parts.
Many, just love it, bro.
In the business and it's so creative. Many. Let's pull a story. Because to me, you have to impact people when you know the levels of inspiration and determination where you have. I mean, from Jamaica to the States, how did that work? Because now you're in the United States, right?
Yeah, I mean,
let's talk about the determination because you just express a lot of things. You don't know how you're reaching out the States, Bogle drop out. So many things happen. But yeah, create a wave in a Jamaica as a youth. I do the thing.
All right.
Talk about the music from Jamaica to the USA.
All right, Bogle dead now. Zin, me a link with the Red Rat. Red Rat have studio. Have him own label. You get me? I say Ratta Castle them time there was Red Rat label. Me I got a Red Rat studio. Left from Red Rat studio, got a Red Rat yard. My family and Rat them link. Dr. Wheat, all away. A link. This are the rich gang. Like a really rich gang. Everybody good. Everybody go to them time there. You get
that
me?
Is it.
I me there around them. So you know some good in a bro. Me there around some people where I fly, you know. Some not off a fly. Me there around some people where I buy car. I'm off a buy car. You understand? So I'm gonna go around Rat them now and Rat more time. I write him songs them and him dead there. I watch him and the God who want all a line. I'm gonna give the God a line and I'm say, yo, why you not do music? I say, yo, bro, you know, always there on Bogle, but me not know the 8 bar, the intro, I never know all of that sequence there. So rat, we say once God teach me that. I still them there now one day, man. I say rat, me have a rhythm, you know. Youth from America, Yard Nice Production, big them up. From Jersey, them come from, you know. Imagine you get a call. The first time you want to do music, a producer from Jersey want voice you. And him a send to the time I want to do video and them thing. The way I go say, bro, me have to do the music, or music a call me. So I come a studio now and say, rat, put in the rhythm and me go in there and do the hook. Me a tour, so I dance, I touch the dance floor. Me a tour, Red Rat I tell me say, I want to on the song, bro. Me a say, yo, what's...
And that's the energy, you know.
Mr. Rat, you want to on the song? Then you know, God dep on the song. So my first song, professionally, we a record for a professional label. A Red Rat collab this, you know, bro. And a one song me sing, bro. I end up at Miami on big show, the rat them, bro. You get me and say, like, you just say it on a tour, you go tour, dog, visa. You get me and say, they are foreign you now. God come pick you up at the airport of foreign, bro, and I kiss the ground, you know me I tell you this in another interview, yeah, all that history. Like, literally kiss the ground. And the man I say, get up, man, and I say, yo, bro, at 20 years, I don't a yard, because I come here when me at 20. So when Dean say, I done millionaire from him at 20,
yeah,
man, millions, brother, man, when you come America, man. Because now, we consider ourselves boss, bro, them time there. And I like now when some man just come America and just feel like, say, yo, and norms, because everybody a come America, bro, when you come, just decide, say, you're boss. Because you're going to make some money, you're going to wear some clothes.
Opportunity.
You're going to do some things now where even your friend them a yard and say, yo, I saw you that live a foreign.
That is it.
Yeah, man. Boss.
For me, I really like two things that stand out. You're motivated and you stay pressing.
Because
you don't give up.
It's like me, I get, all right, watch you now. Who going to tell them story when the goddamn drop out?
Yo, me have an artist, Bridget, him always say this. Not really calling him, but him say you always have the test before the money. That's why you have the testimony.
Yo, me like that.
You see me? So,
yeah.
Big up Cash as a matter of fact.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, artist, man. Because watch you know.
Man say you always have the test before the money.
Because watch you know.
Makes sense.
Bro, you see, sometimes the history I forgot tell you, know, that's why I tell you that Bob Marley movie, when you hear me I touch a topic, bro, you know, long me I look for that movie.
Finally make itself available.
The next thing I'm money, you know, bro, like the God that for the for money, you know, bro.
That is it.
No, count out the man credit, bro. Like the man do it, bro, put him for money, bro, cause some people they for money where we know do it, but them not do it like Bob, cause Bob still a do it. For them history left round and part like the Bible, bro. Right now, Baba do it, bro. Like
for real, in a real
every
life.
hard man in America right now, for proud to be a Jamaican
Facts.
right now.
And that's
the credit they wanna have right now
is a top tier credit that. And that's why I'm saying I really respect you, like just pressing in the music industry and promote yourself and
even when them not consider your boss, consider yourself.
Believe in yourself, self-belief. Before Gucci Boss was a name and a brand, what was your previous artist name?
Old Achak. Sadiki, name Wolverine as a dancer. From Wolverine, I say, yo, this is a man I call to my career. I'm reach a fire, my name myself, Just Sanjo. Till one time I change from Just Sanjo, because I say Just Sanjo sound like an R&B soft singer.
Yeah.
Right now, my name Higher Strength. So I ras up me them time, then I burn a piece of fire like, yo, a turbulence I come out in the game.
That is it.
I say, yo, you know what? Come like the fire. Now I go work for me. I'm just say, yo, I know hear a thing that in a youth. Be yourself. And I saw my go son, I say, knock his car, we are youth from the street. And it no matter what we da go through. Because I bogle them body in a real life. You get me? I say, I not talk just a dance up him skin and I walk up and down like some man. Like ice them and I roll it, a bad man them. Ice will bust your throat. Right now, graphic like that. Me and ice there show. And ice a cut man from your to round you. So like when you are part of them man, you have to just know say a trouble tonight.
And the serious, the badness real.
Yo, a trouble tonight. Every time you are part of them man, somebody will get hurt because if you say the wrong thing to them man, you get boxed up.
He sound like him
down.
Easily triggered.
You can't disbogle them, bro. Or you got disbogle them in the street, youth. You must not know what going on.
That is it. But did that have an impact on you? Like, did you start pick up badness?
No, I'm kind of love it. because it's in me.
Naturally.
When my grandfather look for me and say, yo, every man who come out of the yard, they are bad man, you know. You just know you're out. You don't have fiance your grandfather. Because I must say, yo, Adams come out of the yard for money, you know. You see me? And my uncle them have beer history, dog. Like, you know, my uncle them. My people them, my mother used to tell me, say, yo, you have some family I want you to stay away from. I never understand it till me a big man. Because I have some family, yeah, will get me in a serious trouble. You get me? I say, serious. It's like, I know my fight, my picking up, but I my fight. You get me? I say?
That is it.
Yeah, man. Serious.
My
family,
bro,
man.
You want to talk about the deportation?
Yeah, man. I have to talk about that.
So
that's how we build the instrument when reach back right there, so.
Because, I mean, you get the opportunity to do it in the United States. I mean, at some point, you start living in America at some point, and then you get deported? Or
I tell you what go on. All right. That's trending. You all get this.
And just disclaimer, my brother. Not give them too much information.
No, them I get it.
Keep it
watch out. You see
crispy.
the feds can have it. The people them have it. You know?
Yeah, but keep it crispy same way.
I watch out now. Me go so boom now and come America now. Few things that they tell me.
Yeah.
As an individual when bring come America say, yo, don't do this. No gun. And don't beat no woman. You understand? I get deported the first time from America for alien in possession of a firearm. You understand? And the next one was a domestic thing where they get thrown out. You get me, I say?
Yeah.
Me married to an American citizen when I get deported.
At the time.
At the time. That never matter because the government said the marriage wasn't real because...
Them not believe in it.
Them not believe. Which, me can't fight that.
No, you can't fight immigration.
So me have to just do it.
Do the do.
Even if me did have right, I'd have to walk away from all of
That
my
is
right.
it.
Married to an American citizen. But me still go Jamaica, I never give up.
You
because I know, say, listen, if me there Jamaica, me I starve, I'm going to go somewhere and can eat and find a better life. Where me I go push for go? So the second time me I come back America, after getting deported, some reach back in America now because I have that determination there.
To do the right thing.
I take up music now different because
serious.
I start say, yo, listen, Link G star them because we are youth today in the street with Cranium them in before. Cranium name, Cranium. A singing bird. Tell him say Gucci boss say a singing bird. 165th of my friend them black. Some of the store name Reggae at Spot. And a dessa with them. Link up as artists, tragedy them, professor them. Some Rosedale singer, you get me I say? Time Rust them, Diamond Treasure them. And we link up on whole vibe. You see me? So when we come a foreign, we start deal with music. Now I can work and buy on computer. And me have a brother now where Black Warriors movement, my brother them in a music, my brother them are artists. So we get Pro Tools and put in the basement and ask Cranium. Cranium come down, they come voice. The day. And if I tell you the history of that, the God goes a boom and shot the song from the intro to the outro. Till you they laugh and I say, yo, dog. Yo, you want to be an artist for real, dog? Cause this is how the elder them do it, you know. Back in the days when them had that record and them thing, they like, you have to rehearse a thing and have it for just shoot it one time. So when them do that, I say, yo, another way that them are doing it now, because we have Pro Tools now where we can do your intro, then do your chorus. You get me? I say then do your verse.
Yeah.
Them type of history that we start say, yo, a music. And where people used to say back in the days. Yeah, man. People used to tell us, say, we are waste of time in America. Yeah, for God, yard for bus. Remember when Cranium bring that song, they were there, Attic Studio, man. Me, G-Star and Cranium. They are Attic Studio, man, and I gotta play the song. Nobody enough, you know, say, yeah, you are. And I say, DJ, that song I got mash up Jamaica, you know. And the man say, yo, that song already a number one iTunes of Canada. So me I say them time there's a little youth where I do music. I say, yo, Cranium, this, you know, this thing serious, you know.
It might make impact.
Bro, that's the biggest impact ever, bro. A bus a man a bus from America, bro. Them say can't happen. My bro.
And it's so funny that you say that because them always been saying that people are really bust from America.
Bro.
I'm gonna say this.
Bust the man, bust, bro.
I'm gonna say this. I don't know if you agree with me, but I'm gonna say this. It might be a little bit more challenging for bust from the States because you know they're in the core, meaning the people, the core Jamaican people, them not hear music so easy. So I feel like
them listen hip hop them.
I feel like it's very important sometime for the on the ground.
I don't feel so cause hip hop bust a foreign and then go yard go bust.
But I feel like hip hop come off more of an international music from day one. Jamaican have international songs, but it's a growth. Tell me how you see it from your perspective.
It's my culture can push something international because everything we do is at that, you know, and the world big. So anything we do, it echo. Because we so little, but we talawa, bro. So, you will have a style, right, so I give your people them and it now, boss, and we are Chinese, go bust the style. But when the people them find out, say he's a yard man and a you bust it busts everywhere.
From that perspective.
It's like, even some of them star away, them father, Biggie mother, yard woman, you know. He's a Jamaican, you know.
Yeah, we know most of the style.
But no man now walk up and down and celebrate Biggie as no yard man, bro.
But Biggie a Jamaican, people them a Jamaican.
But them celebrate Nikki when she a cuss too bad word. You understand me? I say Nikki cuss too bad word. And I say, oh, she go like she a yardie. But Biggie, mother come from yard. You get me? I say?
Jamaican people talented, you know, bro.
No, you see. Alright, watch out now. Busta Rhyme.
Jamaican said speed.
You understand? But Busta Rhyme might come here and them and say, yeah man, him parents in my yard. No, the man a yard man, bro. I want to no fool.
You know much rapper big right
man
now.
Man a yard man, bro, man. You see me I say yard man them, bro. Once your mother and your father did calculate them a yard, my daughter, you can't tell my daughter. When my daughter look, you know, my daughter tell me, say, Daddy, I'm a Jamaican. A Jamaican girl, I call her, bro.
That is it, bro. Future interests. Because obviously there's a lot me see you accomplish just based off of determination. You have no artists that like for work within our industry.
Vibes Cartel.
Vibes Cartel himself.
Yeah, bro. Coco Brain, I forgot to do his song, man. You see me?
What about producers?
Right now, I don't want to work with Timbaland. Like, you know Timbaland?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Timbaland make some wicked beats too. Yes,
Muda like that man. If I not him a Dr. J, but Muda got Timbaland because Dr. J kind of more of a like a West Coast type of thing.
Vibe, yeah.
Timbaland will lift it right around the world, like you know, there's a wave. Man, I say Dr. J thing them now around the world, you know, but to all Muda want us create something like
different.
It's like how the God said, cheerleader.
Yeah.
Cheerleader.
Yeah.
Anyway, it just got resonate.
It makes
sense. I
sense.
want to create a song like that.
Making people them know some projects we are working on right now. I mean, obviously, I see you drop a song recently. New releases are out. Yeah. Tell them about new releases. Tell them about upcoming projects. Tell them about album,
I have a
single.
song right now out right now in Weekly Chop.
That is it.
With Gold God. You know Gold God.
Yeah.
We have Weekly Chop. We have a song named Damn. Where I just do a brand new video for when I do a releasing party. The 2nd of March. You get me? I say? Damn out. We have some next project where we just a warm up because all me do as artist, you know. I make my fans them hear everything when I come with, whether today them I hear it. Just hear everything what we are promote. So you know have to guess what come. That's my strategy, you know. Because you see working, my voice, I just come from studio last night. And me I run my own label. Me's an artist, where is a First Capital artist, so me's an independent artist. I do my thing. I have merch. You get me I say?
What tell us about the merch real quick.
The merch right now, you don't know First Capital Music on my label. Anyway, you say First Capital for anything. You see me? On my label. You get me I say First Capital. So me come America now and me form a company name. Capital In. You get me I say? Capital In US. You get me I say? That's the company name. Capital In US. Which I gonna have merch I sell. We are going to do real estate. We are going to do a lot of other area, but a capital in. And the whole idea of it is capitalizing on the opportunity that you get. You get me, I say?
You create the logo?
Yeah, me create the logo, me do the graphic. It's like me, it's a one-man a shoot right now. The army me I run off.
You're planning on having a team when it comes to your music though, right?
Yeah, man, we have a team right now, man.
So you actually have an active team right now?
It's like, you know, your pick is like a shootout, you know, before you get the number one NBA team. You get me, I say?
Okay.
Before you get the number one NBA team,
Yeah,
you have a pick, no?
You have to make the right selections.
All right, now. So, I can't select somebody where can't represent the thing, all them to represent the thing, because that I got damage my brand. Because if me I take up my money to spend my money on something and you are gonna mess it up, it got damage my pocket.
So you have a selection thing going on where you make sure.
GMG. We start a thing named Gucci Money Gang right now where if you want gang up and make some money, go make some money.
That is it.
But if you want gang up and depend some ugly thing,
it not go work.
It not go work.
So I like the fact that you have a single out, you have the music videos, you have the branding, bro, you have the whole heap of things. And
does picture Gucci boss like Birdman in I'm prime.
Okay.
Birdman without the money. Yeah, because you have put respect on him name. He did get some millions for do the dirt.
That is it.
We don't accumulate the millions yet for flip, but we are get to it.
And if you really think about it, you know, bro, even though you do your thing by yourself, you have some very impactful history, because even the association with Red Rat and be able to do your first song with him, them think they anything you did do can't about.
It can't about.
Can't
and you know what
robot.
It's like Michelle used to tell me, say, Andrew, you need to have clips, because she was a videographer. She always a video stuff. Michelle has the whole history, you know.
Yeah, man, clips is important.
I used to interview Carl Thomas before, you know, bro. Like R&B singer. Because I tell you something, they are I work for Mad Multimedia Production.
Yeah.
Sometimes they say, I don't know who want to interview in the history reggae music, because we used to go to show them like RETV them, you know.
Okay, just like you'd have RETV and them there at the party and the backstage and
we was Mad TV a little.
No, I remember that.
So guess who was the man where I do the interview them?
You.
Every Starfoot dog, you see me? Yeah, man, every Starfoot man. Every Starfoot.
That's what I'm saying, you play all heap of parts, different parts.
I know Michelle have them cassette the lock way. I don't know still, because things get damaged or earthquake take up something, but the history me can talk about.
But the truth, I just say truth. Yeah, anything you did do can't about.
You see me?
But bro, we have a part of the podcast we call Keep It 100.
Keep it 100. Alright, see that 100 man.
We don't really have nothing crazy, but we have 5 solid questions.
That is it.
And we will get Gucci Boss response. Zane, keep it 100.
100. Why if I keep it 150?
Then we're good to go even more, even better.
150, 50 cent. Queens with it.
Keep it 100. Would you say that Alkaline is the face of dancehall?
No. Yeah.
Never?
No. More work.
More work?
Alright.
Would you say he's in the top 5?
Yeah, definitely top 5.
Even at top 5 as a dancehall artist.
Affy. Column. Lone column.
Alright. Keep it 100. Chronicler or Idonia? Who would you say is more lyrical?
Diddy.
Really?
Yeah. Diddy, Idonia. My era that's still, you know, like Idonia. Any artist you bring up can't put side Idonia to me. Dona in my own, Dona column, bro. Like me a little youth, I listen Idonia, them want war cartel youth. You get me? I say, my son man might miss the part there. Me no miss it, bro. We did it.
That is it.
Right,
I mean, the way you talk, you just talk like a core Jamaican.
150, man.
You see me? Alright. Keep it 100. Zane, would you say the dancehall music is dying with the chop era?
No. I dearest part. That's why I chop. Dearest part I give. No boy can't hold long a thing no more. No gate can't keep. Foreign me there do this.
Alright, I heard from Gucci Boss himself. We have one more question. Keep it 100. If you do a collab with one of these artists, who would it be? Massacre or Squash?
Squash.
6 Boss?
Yeah, dog. You know, 6 you want to. But if you not say 6 no girl no want hear you to want to hear that. But good art. And I just that means that squash was a dancer too, you know. So where that come from? There.
So you choose squash.
Yeah, because the dog was a skanker dog. The dog used to move him foot. So I just go in a studio and just voices are overall from A to Z for me, you see me?
Say no more. That's crazy because
Ain't no cartel can dance though.
No man, we know Addy man. We know Addy. We know
God rate Sadiq, you know.
We know Addy
Yeah,
man. We know Addy.
Ask cartel man who him rate man. Him can tell you man. Ice, Sadiq. You get me and say? Yeah man, Shelly Belly.
Alright, to me, well, keep it 100 again, my brother. Me have this just come to my brain and I just like ask you. Zane, keep it 100. A whole heap of clash start this year now. You talk about the Jada Kingdom, the Stefan Dan, and then we have King try, you know, Imam Massacre try, whatever. Keep it 100. And then they have the Valiant and the TJ. But to be honest, keep it 100. If Alkaline was to push a foot on a stage with a Vibes Cartel, would you say it would be a clash to watch or Cartel that eliminate him or Alkaline that eliminate Cartel? No, me say, would you think it would be a, I don't know which way this is going to play?
This would have been one of the best clash ever. Because watch you know, Might can talk off your mouth all you want for recording it. So when you come onto his stage, remember when you see Cartel come and stinging on him have on him bum buckle or something when he stay so, you know. You remember just like how Merciless said that say, how do you see three of them and try this, me want shot me but it.
Yeah.
Want take me like oh Taddy Matic, let him Matic dead the dog. Papa I mean Freestyle, brother. You must feel like I does music, bro. You have to have stage appearance, you have to come at the war for win the war, bro.
So you think
Alkaline I gonna stand up for himself in a music, but Cartel I come with image, person, like enough eras Cartel I gonna dominate in a.
So you feel like him da beat him with versatility when it comes to presentation.
Cartel I gonna come with beat, image and beating and the dog I gonna sing one song dog where shot I go fire.
Yo,
shot I go bust me.
But bro, me not lie. Great discussion, but me have one favor with the fans, my viewers. Ask me for make sure say we get done today. We need a freestyle from Gucci Boss.
Freestyle.
For close off the show, you gotta do a freestyle and you gotta make the people them know them which part them can reach up on every social media. We talk about your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram, wherever them can find Gucci Boss music. So close off the show with a freestyle and give them all of your social media angles.
Alright, watch you now. I Gucci Boss this. I mean say yo, Gucci Boss Vivo. Follow that. Next thing you have to go follow is Gucci Boss music on Instagram. If you not follow Gucci Boss music, follow First Capital Music. Next thing more say now. Yard or foreign, rating solid. Feds can tell you to the gunman married. Charge for the done, me never snitch pon him. Nuff gangster fall, but we keep on standing. Bad from birth, no we no nurse. Nuff boy this and them gone in a dirt. We no beat boy, trigger finger will work. Watch a trigger finger will work. Any boy this, that's trending. We not talk it out. A dollar kind man I use and sort it out. A dollar kind me I use. Pull up, uptown we Gucci. Pull up, downtown we Gucci. New York if we touch down. Them niggas wanna kill me cause I'm Gucci. Them niggas wanna kill me. Thank God say we still a make money. Thank God say we still a make money. Cause enough of my friend them no real. Them Mongo link when them want a thing that's trending. Thank God say we still a make money. Thank God say we still a make money. Because enough of my bitch them no real. Them Mongo love them wants and need. Watch another merch them live and with that's trending and that's the only thing I trend right now. Gucci Boss every day with floss.
That is it. This is that trending at the pursuit and currently trending live. People, you get the information. Do what you do best. Stay currently trending. This is that trending and this is Gucci Boss himself. See you guys next week.